Oops.
Oopsie. Go with the cookies. Go, please. Hey.
Oh my gosh, that is just, oh my gosh.
Oh, look at all those pretty puppies you got. They're all watching you. They're all watching you from down there. Yes. No, you have to stay. You're in the doghouse.
But he's not like, he doesn't get over, like, overactive.
Salt. Just a little.
Remember when I put Google?
Snap on her. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Chewing on my hand.
They were eating her.
Take your glasses off, Anthony. Keep your mouth shut.
Oh.
Remember, they're not exempt from potty training.
Yes.
Hi, Riley.
What? Oh, look at your little tail.